Fill up the chamber of the baler with cardboard. Do not flatten boxes and place bottom up. Close the upper door and press down on the handle to activate the baler. To check if the baler is full, set the 3-position valve in lock and open the door. We recommend to empty the baler when the pressing plate can't be lowered below the top of the lower door. Switch the release valve to press and raise the pressing plate. Drag the banding well past the width of the bale and cut it with the installed safety knife. Leave the bottom portions of the cut banding hanging outside the lower door and close the top door. Now, pull the banding snips to tighten the banding. Leave the baler in press mode for 2 minutes. Switch the 3-position valve to lock and open the door. When opening the lower door, follow the safety instructions, lifting the bottom door latch over the catch and walking outwards to open the bottom door. Release the banding from the banding clips. Then, pull the banding firmly to make sure it's tight. Tie a knot on both of the lower banding snips. When tying the banding snips together, make sure you pull to minimize bale expansion. Switch the 3-position valve back to release to raise the pressing plate. Pull out the finished bale and remove the bale, safely placing it onto a sack truck or similar device. Pull down on the banding and make sure it's kept inside the banding groove. Thread through and up and over the lower door. Tightening the banding clips on the outer side of the lower door. Switch the 3-position valve to press. You are now ready to make a new bale.